I've tried a lot of investing platforms over the years, but Betterment stood out the moment I realized I could automate almost every part of my portfolio. The question is, does that convenience come with any trade-offs? If you're on the hunt for a hands-off smart investing solution that balances automation and personalization, Betterment is often in the conversation. After putting it through its paces, here's my first-hand take on what works, what falls flat, and whether it still earns its place in your financial plan. Betterment is a premier robo-advisor that helps represent autopilot investing with smart features like goal-based planning, tax optimization, and personalized guidance, all wrapped in a clean, approachable interface. It's built to offer financial advice and investment automation to everyone from beginners to seasoned DIY investors who want simplicity without sacrificing insight. Betterment nails smart automation. You define your financial goals, whether retirement, vacation funds, or multiple objectives, and Betterment builds a diversified, low-cost, ETF-based portfolio tailored to your risk profile. Tax loss harvesting is done automatically, and the platform rebalances your allocations whenever you deposit or when your allocations drift out of range. Their cash management services now include a high-yield checking account offered through a partner bank that blends investing and liquid savings cleanly. Plus, features like Smart Deposit let you automatically sweep excess cash into your investment portfolio, keeping your money working without intervention. What about advice? Betterment's premium tier includes unlimited access to licensed financial planners, which is a standout value at about 0.4 DN annual fee. The free self-directed tier has no advice but still includes the automatic tools that make DIY investing effortless. Betterment offers two main plans. Digital plan at 0.25% per year includes automated investing, goal tracking, and the high-yield cash account. Premium plan at 0.4 DN introduces human financial advisors and tax-coordinated accounts for couples. There's no minimum balance for the digital plan, making it accessible. But premium requires $100,000 minimum, justifying the human advisor support for serious portfolios. While the fees aren't the lowest in robo-advising, some platforms offer 0.15 oms 0.20%. The combination of guidance and automation still delivers tangible value. Betterment's simplicity is consistently praised. The dashboard makes tracking multiple goals easy, and automated advice nudges users towards smarter choices without overwhelm. For retirees or those focused on building long-term plans, the projections and income forecasting tools give peace of mind. The tax loss harvesting and smart deposit features save time and money, a rare combination in robo platforms. That said, investors wanting custom tax management, like tax loss harvesting across non-robo accounts, will find the integration limited, unless you're using the premium tier and syncing multiple taxable and IRAs. Active traders or those seeking deeper customization, custom securities, sector bets, options, ETF minutia, will feel constrained, as Betterment plays strictly within its disciplined, digital envelope. Also, the cash sweep accounts, while high yield, are FDIC insured through partner banks, not directly credited by Betterment, so there's a disconnect that some users overlook initially. Betterment remains a strong robo-advisor choice in 2025 if you want genuinely set-it-and-forget-it investing supported by smart tools and optional human advice. It balances cost, usability, and direction better than most alternatives. However, if you want active trading, niche investments, or zero advisory costs beyond microscale, you might find specialized brokers or ETFs more your style. So here's my take. Betterment delivers thoughtful automation, easy investing, and built-in financial advices, but only if your strategy fits within its disciplined, advice-focused framework. If this helped you, tap like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which investment feature you value most. I'd love to help narrow it down for you next time.